But yeah, as y'all see, man, we piecing stuff together, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna want to stay tuned, man. Y'all gonna want to stay tuned, man. I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. Who, me? Man, I'm all right, man. I'm still kicking. I can't complain at all, man. Hey, but if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week. You could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking. And if you see somebody out here on their grind, getting what they deserve right now, hey, listen, don't hate on it. Just wait on it. Your time could definitely be coming up next, man. All right, so today, like I told y'all, man, we still got a ways to go before, you know, we get everything on here, man. Still waiting on car parts. That is what it is. But I told y'all we got a lot to do, man. We got a lot to do. So today, for starters, we just gonna be throwing our new spark plugs in, get our wires and everything on there. And the main part, or the main reason for this video, we're gonna be installing the coil packs and the fuel rails. Let me show y'all what I did to them, man. Y'all know I ain't no professional, nor do I claim to be. You know, disclaimer. But we used the old little rattle can. And if you remember from the last video, man, them fuel rails didn't look so hot. So check these out. Put a little spray on them. Ooh-wee. Hey, I ain't perfect. Like I said, I ain't no professional. Man, they look pretty good to me. Y'all know that's just about the color of the pinstripe that's on the car. I wish I could have painted these, but I already know I would have scarred them up trying to put them back on. So maybe, you know, later on I can tape everything up and spray those ends right there. Once we make sure we don't got no leaks and I don't got a wrench on them like that. But yeah, man, check it out. So y'all see it's coming together. It's coming together. Slowly but surely, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Hey, listen, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn that notification bell on so you'll get the drop whenever I drop a video, go live or short. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate each and every single one of y'all for tapping in. Let me get y'all set up and we're gonna get going to it. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we got all of our spark plugs in. All right, now we can go ahead. I'm trying to think about what I want to do first. I think I'll go ahead and put the fuel rails in first and then the coil packs after. All right, man, we're gonna go ahead and start on this side. All right, let's get it.
Mars.
Alright. Got that one on there. Let's throw these bolts in it. Alright, man. Driver side on. Let's go to the passenger side. Alright. Both fuel rails are in. Looks like everything is flush and everything. I got some doggone little fingerprints on it now, but I'll be able to get it. Woo! Hey, she already look a little different. Alright, man. Let's go ahead and throw these coil packs on. And throw this hose on there real quick. Alright, cool. Now do that much damage. Alright, I wish that was blue. Alright, let's get the coil packs on. Oh, boom. Good day. I meant to put that doggone spark plug wire in there. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and throw that back fuel rail on real quick, which I should have did before that, and then throw these spark plug wires on. We'll be done with the passenger side.
Yes, sir. Man, y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84. Yes, sir. Coming back one more game. Huh? Hey. How many of y'all out there got an old school? Hey, man, and all you want to do is just ride. Maybe it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hey, maybe just the weekend. Huh? That all you wanna do is just ride. Hey, I got something for you. Say if you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all. Ride, y'all. If you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all.
Alright, so passenger side is done. Man, boy, that looks good, man. That looks good to me. I mean, hey, you ain't gotta like it though, but yeah, we gotta get the rest of this under here cleaned up, man. Alright, let me go ahead and knock this other coil pack out, we'll get right back to y'all, dude. Let's get it. And like that, got the driver's side coil packs on. Now, as y'all see, we missing a spark plug wire, man. It's over here, cause the little piece that's inside there that goes on the top of the spark plug, man, it came out when I took it out, when we took the other head off as well. But yeah, as y'all see, man, we piecing stuff together, man. I'm telling y'all gonna want to stay tuned, man. Y'all gonna want to stay tuned, man. Oof, she looks good now. Now we gotta see what we could do about this stuff. For real, that definitely motivated me to go with the route that I'm planning on going. So, hey, man, like I'm telling y'all, hey, stay tuned, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Like I said, I ain't gonna try to make these videos too long, but y'all see we working, we grinding, piecing this puzzle together, and it's coming along pretty smooth. If you ask me, I'm just taking my time and being patient. But I truly appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man. If you're new here, remember, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bells to all, so you'll make sure you'll get the drop whenever I drop a video, live or short. Hey, and also, man, go back and hype this video up too, man. I truly appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Until next time, hey, let's get grinding, baby. You see that? That thing is out there. Let's go. Let's get it.